If you are new to CapCut or still trying to navigate through CapCut video editing app, here are 12 essential tools you need to get yourself familiarized with. Hello everyone, my name is Monica and you're welcome to my channel. Please don't skip this video as this tutorial will be of great advantage to you as a complete beginner to video editing and CapCut video editing. Particular order, the first on our list is the CapCut default ending. The CapCut default ending is a CapCut logo that appears at the end of your video. To remove it, just tap on the clip and tap on delete. Alternatively, you can go to CapCut homepage at the top right of your screen and tap on the setting button there. Then scroll down to where you see add default ending. Tap on the green line and turn it off permanently and it will never appear in your video again. The second tool on our list is the reduce noise tool. This tool helps reduce the noise in your video. To make use of it in CapCut, scroll down and you see reduce noise, tap on it and on it. It will help reduce the noise in your video if the video was recorded in a noisy background. The third one on our list is the enhance voice tool. This tool helps improve the sound of your voice. To make use of it, scroll down and you see enhance voice. Tap on it and give it 3 seconds to help enhance your voice. It also helps in eliminating background noise. And now the fourth tool on our list is the aspect ratio tool. This tool helps you to choose the size of your video or the aspect ratio of your video that can fit into any of your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube and more. To make use of it, just tap on aspect ratio, then choose any of the aspect ratio you want for your social media platform and fit in your video into it. The fifth tool on our list is the adjust tool. This tool enables you to adjust the brightness of your video. In the adjust tool, you also get to know how to increase or decrease the saturation, the contrast, the temperature, sharpness, and even color grading. All this helps enhance the quality of your video. Now to the sixth CapCut tool on our list is teleprompter. Teleprompter enables you to read your script directly from your screen while recording. Just as I'm recording, you can read your script directly from your screen. This is also a good idea for beginners to content creation. I have made a detailed video on how you can make use of teleprompter as a beginner and I will leave the link in this video description. Now to the seventh tool, which is the background remover. This tool enables you to remove background from your image or video and replace it with any background of your choice. I have also made a video on this on how you can remove and replace your background or create any background of your choice for your video. I will also link the link in this video description. I have made a detailed tutorial video on it. You can browse to my channel to watch it. The eighth CapCut tool you need to get yourself familiarized with is the overlay tool. This overlay tool enables you to place a video on top of each other or beside each other just like this. You can also use this tool for explanation video, educative video, or a reaction video. Now to the ninth tool, which is audio. In audio, you'll be able to add sound from CapCut or your media. You can also extract sound from video or any video of your choice in audio. Or you'll be able to add sound effect just like this and also create your voice over. The 10th one on our list is stock videos or footage. CapCut has some stock videos or footage that you can easily use for short content creation. Some of these videos are free while some are for pro users. To get this video, tap on the plus button and go to CapCut library. You can also access it through CapCut homepage by tapping at the top right where you see library and pick any one that you know is okay for your content. Now to the 11th tool on our list is the text tool. This tool enables you to add caption to your video, stickers, auto caption and more. Before I mention the last tool on our list, please take a few seconds of your time to hit on the subscribe button and subscribe. Engage by commenting and also don't forget to like and turn on your notification bell for more video content creation. Thank you for subscribing. Now to the last tool on our list, which is the animation. This animation tool helps give your video the zoom in and zoom out the effect. In animation, you'll be able to shake your video clips, zoom in or zoom out, fade in or fade out, or just apply any animation of your choice or any animation that fits into your content. After applying it, adjust it to the speed you want and go ahead to make use of it. You can also go ahead and watch the CapCut video editing tutorial I have made earlier for complete beginners on a mobile device. This will help give you more insight on how to use some of these CapCut video editing tools or how to use some of these video editing tools. Please don't forget to drop a question or comment on what topic you want me to create content on. I'm sure you will benefit from my videos. Go through my channel and see most of the topics I've created content on. Leave a question for me and let's grow and learn together. Let's create a community where we all grow and learn from each other. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, like this video, and also share. Turn on your notifications so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to engage. Thank you. Bye.